Good morning, students. So today we are going to begin with our chapter number 9, that is managing files and folders. See children, this topic is in our third unit, which is information and communication technology skills. Means in this unit we are going to learn the skills of ICT. Now in this the topic is how to manage your files and folders. Now let us first come to the word managing. See, whenever you are anywhere at home or in school, children, always you have to keep systematically all your things. Means if you are at home, you need to store your clothes properly, systematically. You need to store your books also systematically. So in the same way, when you are in the office or you are or even at your desk at school, a systematic method of storing the things, it will help you to save your time and energy. For example, if you are storing your clothes properly in your wardrobe, so it's very easy for you to take out the clothes wherever you want, whenever you need them. So this is the reason you need to manage the things, manage all your files and folders in the same way in computer also. See, if you put everything in one drawer at your home also, what will happen when you want to find something? You will definitely waste your time in searching the required thing, whatever you want that particular time. So storing information on your computer, it is just similar to storing all your dresses in a wardrobe in an organized manner. Okay, now let us see file system. See, files are now everyone, all of you are very much familiar with these words, even with these topics also, how to store the files and how to store the folder. But just let me read the chapter and explain to you any other different topic is there or not. So files which are used to store information in computers. You all know, whenever you store any information, you make a new file and you store all the information in that particular file in a computer. So if you save files randomly, then what will happen? You will waste your time and energy in searching for them whenever you are needed, whenever you need that particular file. So the operating system organizes the data in an organized manner so that it becomes easy to store and find. This is done by using the file system. Means with the file system, we are able to store the files and folders systematically. So a file system defines the ways in which files are named and where they are placed logically for storage and retrieval. Each operating system, now what are the operating systems? DOS. Now this DOS, disk operating system, this is a full form. It was means in the beginning this operating system was used. Okay, this is the initial we used to use this operating system. DOS means disk operating system. Then you have Windows. Windows is also an operating system. Then Unix, then Macintosh. So they all has its one type of file system with its own structure and logic. They have got their own structure and logic. Properties of the speed, flexibility, security, size and kind of application, etc. Most of the operating systems use hierarchical file systems. Hierarchical means from top to bottom. Means top to bottom they are prioritized. Which is on the top is given first priority. That is the meaning of hierarchy. So hierarchical file systems wherein the access to the data starts at the top and proceeds downward throughout the level of hierarchy. So this is the meaning. What does this mean? The access to the data starts at the top. जिस डेटा को हमें पहले एक्सेस करना है वो टॉप में होता है, ठीक है, और अकॉर्डिंगली it will go downward throughout the level of hierarchy, means which is not required, that will go down. So the files are organized into folders. Folders means directories. Now you all know what is the meaning of folder and subfolder, all these three. So it is in a tree-like structure. See, this is the structure. This is a root folder. Then you have folder 1 and folder 2. And in folder 1 you have got subfolder 1A. Then subfolder 1A, 1 in this way. Then in subfolder 1A again you can make one file and then subfolder 1B. In this way it is a tree-like structure. Now what is the role of a file system? Just look at this. The file management system, or simply you can say file system, is the layer of system software which is responsible for organizing and managing storage of data. Now see children, I'm not going to read the steps how to create a new folder, because all these things, since when you were in class 3, you have studied all these things in the computer. There also you have studied, and by the time when you have reached to class 10th, each one of you are very well aware how to create a new folder. So you yourself read all the steps, and I know most of all of you are very well able to create a new folder. Then how to create a new file, same way, same steps. I'm not going to read out each step for you. You all will read this, how to create a new file, how to rename a file. These steps are very easy. Everyone read these steps. How to delete a folder, this also you are going to read it of your own, because see children, you all are not in lower classes, 3rd or 4th. I think in class 3rd only we have studied how to delete the folder and all. So read all these steps of your own and try to do it in the computer. Now very basic things are there children. Every one of you are very well aware how to delete the folder, how to rename, then how to restore. Once you delete a file, you can also restore it from the recycle bin. So these are the steps. Please read this. Then how to permanently delete a file and folder. Now see, how to delete permanently, you have to right click on the recycle bin, because whatever file you are deleting वो कहाँ जाती है, recycle bin में जाती है. वहाँ पे आपको right click करना है and select the option empty recycle bin. Okay, then you will be able to delete the files permanently. Then how to copy or move a file or folder from one drive to another. That also same steps. Double click on this PC icon on your desktop. You have got this PC. अपने computer पे से you have got one option, this PC. Now select the location from the left pane. Left pane means ये right pane है, ये left pane है. Now select a location from left pane wherever you want to copy or move the folder. Then select any file or folder that you want to move or copy from the right pane. Now follow any of the given methods to move or copy your folder. So in this way you can move or copy the folder of your own from one drive to another. So this was a very simple chapter children. In this you have to read the chapter, and the question answers also you will do it of your own. What do you understand by the file system? First question is this one. Where is the answer? You can find the answer over here. See, file system. Files are used to store information in the computers. In this, a file system defines the ways in which files are named and where they are placed logically for storage and retrieval. So please write down the answers, find out the answers and write down in your notebook. Then what is the difference between a file and a folder? This also you can get it from the pages. So do these exercise of your own in your notebook. Okay. Then in our next video, students, we are going to start with the next chapter, that is chapter number 10, care and maintenance of a computer. Till then, goodbye and take care of yourself, and thank you for watching.